Welcome to today's video. We're taking you on an incredible adventure excursion in the charming village area of Punta Cana. This journey is all about diving into the local culture and experiencing traditional processes that have been part of this community for generations. Our first stop is at a sugarcane processing area where the magic begins. We are greeted by the sight of a large, impressive machine designed to extract juice from sugarcane. It's fascinating to watch as the machine efficiently crushes the stalks, releasing the sweet juice inside. The process is both industrial and artisanal, showcasing a blend of human ingenuity and natural bounty.
Guarapo de caña is a juice of sugar cane, right? And we may. It's very hard. I wanna tell you something strange, but it's true. That's the Principe plantation in Dominican Republic, and you don't see Dominican people working in it.
Amina? Hi.
It's over here, right? Now we are in this here. That's the reason that we call Punta Cana. So Punta, right? From the point we have the Caribbean Sea. So sweet, yeah? Don't eat it, only sweet, yeah?
We even get to taste the fresh sugarcane, which is incredibly refreshing and a true delight for the senses. The flavor is pure, sweet, and unlike anything you can find in a store. It's an experience in itself.
We make how long?
You want to hold mommy's hand? Okay, you're going to fall. Come. Wow.
Yeah.
Careful for you. You want to go see a cat? Come, mommy.
After, we move on to another intriguing part of the village, cigar making. Here, we meet a talented gentleman who has mastered the art of crafting cigars by hand. Watching him work is like watching a well-rehearsed performance. He carefully selects the tobacco leaves, expertly rolls them, and shapes them into perfect cigars. Each step is done with precision and care, reflecting years of practice and dedication. It's mesmerizing to see the transformation from loose leaves to beautifully finished cigars, but the experience doesn't stop at just watching. There's a wonderful opportunity for visitors to purchase these handmade cigars, a perfect souvenir that captures the essence of Punta Cana's local craftsmanship.
No, yo siempre estaba solo, pero hay cosas que tengo que trabajar ustedes acaban de llegar. Así mismo, yo tengo mi trabajo, yo no sé.
Did you say hi? Amina? Yeah.
Careful, Amina.
Corona runner, yeah. That's making for the company. The Corona is the cigars and runner is the company.
Additionally, the village offers locally made alcohol, another fantastic product of the area. Sampling these local goods allows you to take home not just a product, but a piece of the culture and the labor of the local artisans. And that's a wrap on our adventure excursion in the village area of Punta Cana. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we explored the fascinating process of sugarcane production and the intricate art of cigar making.